Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. And today we are going to unbox another order from Qiyi which I have ordered 1 week back. And to know more, let's get into the video. Yeah guys, this is the order came from Qiyi, which I have ordered. Yeah, if you see, this order contains a CMS magnetic 2x2. Okay, let's unbox this cube. And one more thing guys, this is my first magnetic cube and it's a 2x2. This is a 2x2 cube because I can't compete with other participants with my old one because it's just become worse. Okay, okay, and this is my first magnetic cube, so that I don't know how magnetic cubes feel. Okay, and these cubes will come with a bundle, but I have bought a separate one. You can also buy this in the Qiyi website, and I will give the link in the description. Okay, once again we got a Qiyi bag. Oh wow, this is actually very nice. Okay, yeah, if you see, this is the main part. Oh my, waiting for you, man. Okay, yeah, here is the box, and which is fully packed. Okay, let's see what is I think this is the bill. Okay, let's keep all this inside the box. Yeah, okay, here is the cube. Okay, it had packed in a hard plastic case. Okay, let's open this plastic. You can see. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, here is the cube, and let's keep it here. Okay, what all this? Okay, with the cube, we will get. Oh, what? Okay, this is a separate box. Okay, yeah, here is a solving pamphlet, and I don't need that because I already know how to solve it. Yeah, here it comes inside the box, and let's open this wrap. Okay, yeah, I think this is the frosted plastic. Yeah, we got this into our hands. Okay, oh, this is lubed my hands. Okay, wait a second, I will clean this cube and I will come. Okay, let's make our first magnetic cube turns. Okay, if you see, there are magnets. There are 2 magnets inside it. That was awesome. Okay, let's make our first turns. Wow, that was awesome. Whoa, that was really awesome. Okay, I have scrambled the cube, right? Okay, oh my god, that was awesome. Okay, I can really feel the magnets. I think that are strong. You can see there are white internals inside, and that's really awesome. Okay, the cube is incredibly fast, very fast. Okay, let's talk about this cube bags. I have got another bag in my previous unboxing video, which you can see there, unboxing the Itching Cloud 5x5, and in that video I got a bag of red color, and that also looks pretty nice. Yeah, okay, let's keep this new let's keep our new cube in our new bag. Oh, like that. And yeah, that looks pretty nice, right?